This video is all about fixing GPU and NVMe stuttering that ruins smooth gameplay for no obvious reason. If you're getting random hitches, frame drops, or micro stutters even on a fast system, this is the real cause most people miss. I tested these changes myself, and the difference was instant. Smoother frames, cleaner pacing, and zero annoying pauses. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive in. So guys, in the first step, we're going to fix a very sneaky setting that causes stutters on a lot of PCs, especially during gaming. This setting controls how your GPU and NVMe communicate with the system. When it's enabled, Windows tries to save power, but for gaming, this actually creates pauses and lag. First, open the control panel. If you don't see it right away, type Control Panel in the Windows search bar and open it. Inside Control Panel, click on Power Options. You will see your current power plan, like High Performance or Ultimate Performance. Next to the active plan, click Change Plan Settings. On the next screen, click Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will pop up with a long list of power options. Don't worry, we're only changing one thing here. Slowly scroll down until you find PCI Express. Click the small plus sign next to it to expand the menu. Under that, you'll see Link State Power Management. Expand that as well. Now you'll see an option that is usually set to Moderate Power Savings or Maximum Power Savings. Click on it and change it to Off. By turning this setting off, the PCIe connection stays fully active all the time, so your GPU and NVMe can respond instantly. For many systems, this single change removes random stuttering and makes gameplay feel much smoother. After that, find Processor Power Management. Click the small plus sign next to it to expand the options. Inside, you'll see Minimum Processor State. By default, this is often set to a low number, which allows the CPU to drop its speed to save power. Click on Minimum Processor State and change the value to 100%. After that, click Apply, then OK. During gaming, your CPU is constantly handling data transfers between the GPU and your NVMe drive. If the CPU is slow to respond, those PCIe transactions get delayed. By keeping the CPU clocks stable at all times, data moves smoothly between the CPU, GPU, and NVMe. This improves how fast textures load, keeps frame delivery consistent, and helps eliminate those small but annoying pauses that ruin smooth gameplay. Alright guys, now we're going to fix another hidden cause of stutters, this time coming from your NVMe SSD. NVMe drives are extremely fast, but Windows sometimes puts them into power-saving states that cause small pauses when the drive needs to work again. In games, those pauses turn into texture pop-in, loading hitches, or sudden stutters. First, open the Windows search bar and type Device Manager, then press Enter. When Device Manager opens, look for disk drives and click the arrow next to it to expand the list. You'll see your storage devices here. Find your NVMe SSD, then right-click on it and select Properties. A new window will open. Go to the Policies tab. Here, you'll see two important options. Make sure Enable Write Caching on the device stays turned on. This helps performance and should not be disabled. Below that, you'll see Enable Write Caching Buffer Flushing. Uncheck this option, then click OK. When buffer flushing is enabled, the drive pauses more often to safely commit data, which is good for data safety, but bad for real-time performance. During gaming, this can block texture and asset streaming for short moments, causing stutters. By disabling buffer flushing while keeping write caching enabled, your NVMe stays active and responsive. This reduces sleep transitions, prevents I/O stalls, and results in smoother texture loading, especially in open-world games where data is constantly being streamed from the drive. Now guys, if you're facing lag, ping spikes, or unstable connections in your online games, the GearUp Booster is the perfect tool to fix those issues. Here's how to use it. To get started with GearUp Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GearUp Booster interface. The first step is to log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. Roblox, Fortnite, or any game. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab, where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one, or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearUp Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. Now guys, we're going to disable a deeper power-saving feature that Windows uses at the kernel level, and this one causes a lot of GPU and NVMe stuttering without people realizing it. This setting is mainly designed for laptops and low-power devices, but on gaming PCs, it can seriously hurt performance. First, open the Windows search bar, type Registry Editor, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. When the Registry Editor opens, don't click around manually. Instead, copy the exact registry path from the video description, paste it into the address bar at the top, and press Enter. This makes sure you land in the correct and safe location. Once you're inside this path, look on the right side for a value called CS Enabled. On some systems, this value already exists. If you see it, double-click on it. If you don't see it, right-click in an empty area, choose New, then DWORD 32-bit value, and name it exactly CS Enabled. Now, double-click CS Enabled and set the value data to 0, then press OK. After doing this, close the registry editor and restart your PC. During gaming, your GPU and NVMe constantly ramp up and down. Every time Windows forces them to wake from these low-power states, it creates tiny delays. Those delays show up as micro-stutters, hitching, uneven frame pacing, and even input delay. By disabling this behavior, PCIe traffic stays stable under load. Your GPU and NVMe stay responsive, shaders load more smoothly, and asset streaming becomes consistent. So guys, now we're going to tackle a hidden Windows feature that quietly slows down PCIe devices under load. Even though your GPU and NVMe are fast, Windows sometimes limits CPU scheduling for the background threads that handle their communication. This causes small pauses in data transfer, which show up as stutters, hitching, and uneven frame pacing during gameplay. First, open the Windows search bar, type gpedit.msc, and press Enter. In the Group Policy Editor, navigate to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then System. Now scroll down and find Power Management and open it. Now here, find Power Throttling Settings and double-click on it. On the right side, find Turn Off Power Throttling. Double-click it and set it to Enabled, then click Apply. After applying the change, restart your PC to make sure it takes effect. It stops Windows from artificially limiting CPU threads that handle PCIe interrupts, I/O queues, and driver communication. With this disabled, your GPU and NVMe can talk to the CPU instantly, keeping data flowing smoothly. The result is much better frame pacing, faster asset streaming, and a noticeable reduction in stutters, especially in games with large open worlds or heavy shaders. Alright guys, now we're going to test hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. The reason we test this is that it changes how the GPU communicates with the CPU and PCIe, and depending on your hardware, it can either smooth out performance or add tiny delays that show up as stutters. First, open Settings from the Start menu. Then go to System, and inside that, select Display. Scroll all the way down until you find Graphics and click it. Next, click Change Default Graphics Settings. Here, you'll see a toggle for hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. For now, set it to Off. Don't worry, this won't harm your system. It just stops the GPU scheduler from using this accelerated mode, so we can test if turning it off reduces stutters. After changing the setting, restart your PC so Windows fully applies the change. HAGS affects PCIe communication and GPU scheduling. When both your GPU and NVMe are actively streaming data, extra latency can cause microstutters. Testing this setting ensures your GPU is operating optimally, frame pacing stays smooth, and heavy scenes load consistently without hitching. That's it. Apply these fixes and enjoy smooth, stutter-free gameplay the way your PC was meant to deliver. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more performance guides that actually work.